With the school library and public library closed, this does not mean that you can't access great books. Besides Tales to Go, which is an audiobook service provided for all PMG students, you also have access to ebooks from the Polk County Library. This service is only available for those who have a library card, and you must know your PIN, which is most likely the last 4 digits of the phone number you used when getting your card. The first step in accessing these books is to download the Libby by Overdrive app on your device. The device could be an Android or iOS. This is what the app looks like. Once you download the app, you will choose Yes, you have a library card. And you will search for your library. You may use 72802 even if you do not use the Russellville Public Library. You may use the Atkins branch or Hector branch, but either way, it's going to go to Arkansas Library to Go, Polk County Library System. And Polk County Library System, and you are going to put in your card number.